All those different tools.
Oh yeah, I see.
The cutting tool. So the machine is going to, he knows which one to get for what type of cutting.
So what's the software called? It's a CAD.
We'll have a look at the document.
What was the name of the software on his desktop he was using? Quick, FastCAD? FastCAD 7 or something? I think it was FastCAD 7.
We have to get these holes in the bottom. We have to go and find a special spot.
Okay, it's an alignment position.
Aligning, yeah. But there they have usually they screw
You do realise it's gone on YouTube? It's right. You're going to become a star.
The first thing they do is not to punch with is going to drill some holes all around the plate first, because what they do is then once they have the holes, they can screw the panel down.
Okay.
I think that's what they do.
Oh, that's a domino box.
That's the domino box.
That is the domino box. The cardboard box.
Yeah, that's what hides the ink.
Okay.